Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Linqto application on your Android phone. So let's dive ahead in the video without wasting much of our time. The first thing to do is to make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, launch open your Play Store. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Linqto and search. You will be able to see the application displayed in the search result. This one's the app we are looking for. Tap on the install button to begin downloading the app and your application will be downloaded in no time. Wait for the application to download and install and you will be able to open up the application whenever you want. Linqto aims to provide accredited investors with access to private company investments, allowing them to invest in pre-IPO companies. It often conducts virtual investment events where accredited investors can discover and participate in funding rounds for private companies. Once the application is downloaded and installed, simply tap on the Open button to launch open the application and use it on your Android phone. So that's how you can easily download Linqto on Android within a few minutes. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.